Quick Start Guide. Read this with your child. You read the regular text and he or she reads the big red words, sort of like reading the different parts in a play. Help your child sum out the words as needed.
Family. Ram, Sam. I am tall. I am as tall as a man. Well, when I stand on a chair, I am. I am Sam. I am Sam. I am a cat. And I am stuck inside a hut. The hut is nice when it is snowing, but I can't see where I am going. Rat race. A rat and a ram run a race. The ram ran faster, so the rat put on skates. Cheater, said the ram as the rat rolled by. I am the winner, said the rat. Bye-bye. But the rat wasn't looking and he ran into a tree. No, said the ram, the winner is me.
Read this several times. This helps develop the eye muscles and lifts the reading patterns. Don't rush it. Bodybuilders don't train in a day. Neither does a child. And the most important of all, have fun. Thank you. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. God bless you all.